So AORUS Graphics Gigabyte AORUS Graphics RTX 4070 Supermaster 12G. This is graphic card. Let's check the specifications of. So chipset, graphic card chipset, you can see Graphics RTX 4070 Super, and core clock 2655 megahertz, and CUDA core 7168, memory clock 20 GB per second. So this is actually clock speed 21 GB per second. Memory size 12 GB. Memory type GDDR6X, and memory bus 192 bit, and this is card bus, means which is connect to your motherboard to require this slot PCIe 4.0. And this is resolution. So max resolutions means display resolutions, max display resolutions 7680 into 4320. And this is required CPU 700 watt, 16 pin, and 4 display port, 3 DP port, display port 1.4A, 3 port, 1 port HDMI 2.1A, and this is accessories which is in the box.